With 6 to 7 seating options, the mid-sized rectangular J365 hot tub is engineered for both style and comfort. Set apart by sophisticated pro-finish cabinetry with optional corner accent lighting, an easy-to-use control panel, ergonomic elements, and a HydroSoothe no-splash jetted massage pillow, relief looks as good as it feels. The J365 model introduces a unique HydroSoothe massage pillow, delivering a superior head and neck massage and a soothing cascade of water over the neck and shoulders without splashing or spraying. Coupled with an elite hydro massage from carefully placed premium PowerPro jets, it's easy to feel why the iconic Jacuzzi brand is recognized as the industry leader. In the PowerPro Therapy Seat, a variety of PowerPro jets combine to target key areas of the neck, shoulders, and back. This relaxing massage is designed to ease muscle strain and tension, adjustable for volume and intensity to customize your massage. The FX seat offers the perfect combination of PowerPro jets to stimulate surrounding tissue and release muscle knots. Spiraling, pulsating, complete back coverage and kneading, focused calf coverage equals a comprehensive massage for overall relief. The deep, highly contoured MX Therapy Seat is perfect for positioning your body for the ideal hydro massage. This specialty seat offers deep tissue muscle knot relief in the lower back and needs your upper back and neck for focused tension release. In the low-profile foot dome, a collection of small and powerful jets are perfect for a focused massage on key pressure points in your feet from any seat in the hot tub. This model utilizes Clear-Ray UVC technology with a 4-stage filtration process that achieves cleaner water quickly with less effort. Experience the style and comfort of the J365 hot tub for yourself. Contact your local authorized Jacuzzi hot tub dealer and schedule a wet test today.